What's up, people? This is Ajax, and this is a demonstration of the Stir the Pot exercise. This was created by Dr. Stuart McGill, and it is, in my professional opinion, the best movement for training core stabilization, reducing low back pain, and getting the core stronger as an overall unit. This movement, when done correctly, is performing small circular oscillating motions on a stability ball. You don't do this. You're not trying to move the ball in big motions as much as possible. Done right, it should barely look like you're doing anything. You also don't collapse the low back. You also don't hike the hips up. You use a neutral spinal position, and you do this for time. This exercise is deceptively challenging. It's going to involve all of the muscles in the torso, not just one. And I suggest starting with short sets of 20 to 30 seconds and building up from there. Check the comments for sets and reps. Any questions or comments you might have, post below.